Welcome to the Jaja and Ika show. I'm Jaja.
And I'm Ika.
Today we are gonna play Roblox.
Okay, where are you?
House 2.
House 2. Cool.
As you can see, I'm a bacon. And me and my sister are
gonna be
matching.
twins.
Don't mind us. I walk.
Yeah.
I'm stepping on her head.
I'm not walking like a monster.
No. Oh, I'm innocent.
I'm innocent.
Ah. Oh, I think. Is that the murder? Wait, where are you?
Wait.
Are you outside?
Yeah.
That's the worst place to be. The murderer will catch you outside. I think she is there. I ain't seen anyone holding a knife. Who's the murderer?
I'm in the dining table. Are you this one?
Yeah, oh my gosh. I just
Look like Dora.
Huh?
The clothes look like Dora.
I forgot to tell you.
Like, if you see this, you're like in the secret room, and then you go down here, you'll see this, and then you'll go inside the TV, and it's a secret hole, like here, a secret room. You see this secret room?
Wait. Who's the murderer?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she's the murderer. She's the murderer. I'm panicking.
Are
She's
you?
the murderer. No. She's camping the gun. She's camping the gun.
She's coming, go,
She's camping the gun.
Guys.
Okay. She's camping the gun. Okay. She's probably wall camping.
Wait, someone got the gun.
No. I want to get the gun.
The gun was like earlier here.
Wait. It was that girl the whole time? Is that, did you get killed? I
Yeah.
got killed.
I panicked when I got killed. Why is the angel not here?
There's no angel.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
That's in another game. Yo, girl.
Yo, girl, yourself.
And if I get killed, oh. Decline, look. Someone keeps trading me. Hurry up, bacon. I'm so sorry. No, I got killed.
I don't even have a.
Give me fish. Oh, she killed it. Good game. GG. Yeah, spring.
Do you know how to drink more like swords?
Do you have a lot of coins? You don't have enough coins to buy anything.
I only have 20 pounds. You see the camera? It's like this. You see it?
Ika, does they see my avatar, my camera if I do like this?
They can see it a little bit.
Like how much? How many? Like this.
Like just.
Okay, it's starting. Ooh, a murderer.
I'm innocent.
What?
Yeah.
If I get killed by the sheriff. Okay, I'm just gonna pretend like just chill. Just chilling. This is hotel. I mean hotel like 2 or 3. That's hotel 2. Yo. You're downstairs. You're downstairs, right? Yeah. No, I got killed, bruh. On the victory. Oh, the elevators are already like. No. Why do I get killed?
Why do I don't get killed?
Do you wanna get killed?
No, but I like the angel like.
Mill base! Do you seriously want to play the Science MM2, the fake one? What? The fake MM2.
The like moon?
No! Why does... Oh, I'm Sheriff! I don't like Sheriff.
Because you don't know who's the murderer.
Yes. Exactly.
Exactly the perfect.
Tell me who's the murderer. Oh.
What?
Who's the murderer? I hate Sheriff. No one's killing you. I have a feeling it's someone.
I have a balloon.
No, I got killed. It was that girl. It was this girl. This girl. She's camping the gun.
Oh, that was the like murder again.
I hope she is.
I'm not gonna get killed with you.
I know you are.
I ran outside, but I'm going inside.
Someone's gonna beat the camper.
What?
I told you.
Get more like oh, I think of that. Everyone's outside, but I'm just inside. And I'm just gonna get killed. I'm just gonna get killed. Should I?
Oh my gosh, I just... Is it trying to shoot?
That was just me.
Go out.
Why?
Just go out. You said you want to get killed.
I didn't. Maybe I did.
Bruh. I'm just gonna watch the carrot girl. What carrot girl? Carrot or carrot? Carrot. What do you mean carrot?
Why?
You're blocking her. Oh, that looks nice. Victory?
Yeah.
Innocence when I was innocent. Oh, never mind. I was a sheriff. Okay. One last round.
And then we're gonna do obby.
Yeah. If I get killed, we're doing obby.
I think I need to go to the back.
Y'all gotta hurry up. Because I'm innocent. Wait. Ika, I think you might be sheriff. Yeah, you're sheriff. Hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry. You're the sheriff. Hurry, 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 hurry. You're the sheriff. Oh. Oh. Ika, come on. I saw the murderer. Don't get killed. Oh. I got killed, you know. It was this girl. It was that girl. Ika, it's this girl. Ika, it's this girl. I feel like she's like... Just kill her, okay? She's going to the theater. She's going there. Okay, she's there. Shoot her, shoot!
Why did I not get a gun?
You're the sheriff. They're just like... Oh, do you see me? She's in a map.
And why someone in the top?
Okay, maybe that's it for today. Maybe that's it for now. We're gonna do an obby. So bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.